Hi everyone, I'm Suyok from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to view your audit on Bitget. Checking your audit records helps you track your transaction history and maintain transparency in your account activities. So, let's get started on how to view your audit on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the Assets option from the bottom right corner of your screen. Scroll down and find the View My Audit option. Once you locate it, tap on it. You will now see your audit records on Bitget. And this is how you can view your audit on Bitget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.